Hey everybody, this is my parrot Nibbles. Oh, he's trying to bite the piano. Okay. So, well, we're going to be talking about Nibbles. But you want to hear a song first? Yeah? Okay. Oh wait, let me get it better. So better. Nibbles is my best friend, yeah. Nibbles is my best friend, and he is my friend. He always is. He's the nicest parrot ever, but I will never give him away. Yeah, his name is Nibbles. I got him from Magnolia Bird Farm, but he's the best parrot. Yeah. I was actually talking. Did you not hear me talking? My parrot again. Whoa, 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 whoa. Come on. Turn. Hey, stop biting my earring, Nibbles. Okay. My parent Nibbles. Okay, here we go, kiss. Give Nibbles a kiss. Hey, stop it. But just biting the screen, okay? He bit the screen. That's not a surprise. Stop biting my earring. Well, bye. And this is my parrot. Hope you like my parrot. Love you. I love you. I love you. Oh. Whoa.